When we're dealing with simple machines, one of the main things we look at is IMA, or ideal mechanical advantage, which is basically a prediction as to how much stronger the machine is going to make you. How much will it multiply the force you put into the machine? So the way we calculate it is by taking the input distance and dividing it by the output distance. The trick is to learn to identify both the input and output distances when we look at machines. So let's take a look at three different ones. In this case, we have a lever. And what we have is the person is the input and the object being lifted is always the output. So for a lever, we take the distance between where the person is applying their force and the fulcrum, in this case 3.2 meters. We sometimes call this the effort arm. And then we have what we call the resistance arm, or the distance between the fulcrum and the center of where the output force is being applied, which in this case is 1.4 meters. So this is the input distance and this is the output distance. So let's just substitute in and see what we get. The input distance was 3.2 meters and the output distance was 1.4 meters.